If you're looking at a condo in Natoma Meadows in Rancho Cordova, I totally get the appeal. Close to Highway 50, parks nearby, easy, low maintenance living. Then you check the FHA list and see approved expired, and that's where the questions start. Here's the simple version. Natoma Meadows was FHA approved a few years ago. That approval expired in 2021, which means FHA loans aren't automatic here anymore. But, and this is important, it does not mean you can't buy. What it really means is lenders have to look at the project under today's rules. They'll review the HOA budget and reserves, insurance coverage, owner occupancy versus rentals, and how the different phases are set up. Some lenders stop when they see expired. Others dig in and still approve loans using conventional low down payment options or other condo-friendly programs that don't rely on FHA at all. In fact, a lot of buyers here end up surprised that FHA isn't even the best fit once all the numbers are on the table. The key is not guessing based on one line in a HUD database. If Natoma Meadows is on your list, head to sacramentocondofinance.com and fill out the intake form. We'll look at the HOA, the unit, and your finances together and explain your real options in plain English. An expired FHA approval isn't a dead end. It just means you need the right roadmap.